Welcome to Toys&Girls! Today, Julia and I are twinning because we are doing twin telepathy number 5.
Rachel versus Julia. Also, we have done 4 of these challenges already, and one of them was with her mom, so if you guys have not seen those, you gotta go check them out, because I love those videos. They're great.
Yeah.
So random.
If you're new to our channel, I'm Annalise.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Julia.
We would love for you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.
And turn on notifications.
So you can become part of our CG family.
Now on to the video.
By the way, if you missed it, we announced in our last video that we did a giveaway for Daiso Clay.
You are not too late to enter, so just comment down below. Hashtag CraftyGirlsRock.
And make sure you guys are subscribed and you have your notifications on because we will be checking. So, let's get started.
Okay, so I'm gonna move out so we can set this up.
We forgot to announce that we are wearing headphones, so this is gonna be super fun. We cannot hear each other, which also helps for our minds to connect in that telepathic, mystical way that they probably should be doing. We also cannot hear products that are being opened, so we don't know whether we got a point or not. So that makes it also a little bit more mystical for us.
Okay guys, we're gonna turn our music on and now it's time for round 1 and I literally have to take this off.
Round 1, white glue or glitter glue. Good luck.
Okay, sending the message. Okay. Okay.
Okay guys, I'm ready for round 2, so come on.
Okay, I'm ready for round 2.
Also, I cannot hear myself, so I don't know how loud I am or what I'm even saying. So, what did I just, I hope I said that correctly.
So let's get on to the next round.
Round 2, food dye, pink versus blue. Good luck again.
Okay. So I guess it's my turn to receive the
I'm
message.
sending the message.
So yeah. Okay, got it. Okay. So I got our food dye, but I got my food dye and I don't know about her.
Okay guys, round 3.
So yeah, I'm ready for round 3.
It's so pretty.
I don't know what to say.
Also, just so you know, I love light colors, so. Also, I'm dancing to the best song.
Round 3, glitter, orange versus yellow. Again, good luck.
What?
I'm gonna send you the message.
Okay, sending the message. Okay, send. Okay, by the way, I know my friend Natalie will probably be watching this video, so I'm listening to a song by Alan Walker, and if she can guess which song it is, she gets 1 point. So, my cat is staring at me.
Round 6. It is time.
Round 4, more glitter, pink, again versus blue.
My turn.
Good luck!
to receive the message.
I like it.
Okay. Got this glitter now.
Oh wait!
Okay, ready for round, I don't know what, because I haven't been counting, but yeah. Excuse me! I have a neighbor who does not watch where she's throwing things, so that almost hit me in the head. Boy, watch it!
By the way, this board extends far beyond them so they cannot see each other unless they lean back. Round 5, shave cream versus shave gel. Good luck.
Okay, my turn to
Goodbye.
send the message.
Doing to me.
Okay.
Didn't see. Did not see.
It is
I'm
my
gonna send you
turn
the
to send
message now.
message.
Sent.
Okay, I sent the message. Let's do this. Okay, I am ready for the next round because I have got my thing in, so.
Yeah.
Round 6, Salome versus Little Pink Puffballs. Let's see what they choose.
Ouch. Okay, it's my turn to receive the message.
I'm gonna send you a message now.
Okay.
Sent.
Okay, this really looks like a snowy mountaintop to me. Okay, it is time for the next round.
Round 7, cornstarch versus lotion. Good luck.
Okay,
Good luck.
let's go. It's my turn to send the message. Okay.
Also, I'm gonna send you the message. Done.
Now it is definitely a snow-covered mountaintop. So I am now ready for the next round. So yeah.
It is the second to last round, activator, but first we're gonna let them mix their ingredients and
Okay.
tell it.
So
So you guys are gonna mix your ingredients first, okay?
okay.
So you're gonna mix first. Rachel, you're gonna mix first with Mom.
I'm gonna send you the message.
taken to the last round, which is activator. We have borax, or they can use saline and baking soda. So good luck, and good luck. Send the message.
I'm gonna send the message.
I'm gonna send the message.
Okay.
Clay, and we have colors yellow and blue.
I am receiving the message.
I'm gonna send you the message.
Okay.
Send it.
Alright guys, you can take off your headphones. You can take off your headphones.
It's just the best song.
What?
Okay. Headphones are off. I wish I could keep them on. I'm listening to a song that is very enjoyable for me.
Alright guys, it is time to take this away. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Alright, wait, I did this not you, Rachel. This is my dome.
Yay!
You guys got one wrong in the glitter.
Oh. Which
But that was one out of.
Yeah, which glitter?
Wait. Bomb. Are they the real twins? I mean, I know that we don't really look alike at all, but I look more alike.
And we both have curly hair. We're both
My hair's wavy.
Mom,
curly-ish.
we need some explanations.
Tell us. That means I'm 11. I mean, I'm 12, almost 13. So we're good.
No, I'm just kidding, guys. We are actually twins.
No, we're real twins.
No, we're not. Okay, you guys, so our slimes are almost exactly identical. Hers is a little fluffier, so mine, of course, is a little darker.
But obviously, they look like a lot alike.
It must have been the matching shirts that did it.
Wait, it's funny because they both turned out blue, like your shirts. What does this mean? And don't worry, we are actually real twins.
Ready?
Okay. All right, guys, that was so fun, and now it is time for shout out.
Boo loves Annalise, Rachel, and Julia, and I think what a cool name that is.
We love you too, Boo.
Aria Slimes,
All of Andy's show.
Jana, Carol, Esteban,
Kaylin Price,
And Mina Osman. Thank you so much for being part of our CG family.
we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up.
We love you guys so much.
Bye!